Do you have Facebook account? What are the benefits you get from Facebook? And how can we relate this to our topic today? Introduction to Cloud Computing. You may refer to your books, Tech Kids 6 textbook, pages 17 to 22. Objectives. To explain the concept of cloud computing. Number 2. To identify the benefits and drawbacks of cloud computing. Number 3. To show enthusiasm in sharing their experiences and knowledge in learning more about cloud computing. Number 4. To communicate information and ideas effectively to multiple audiences using a variety of media and formats. What is cloud computing? It's basically the use of the internet for the tasks you perform on your computer. The term cloud represents the internet. It allows you to store data and applications on the web so you can access files and perform tasks from your computer with the internet access. It enables you to use programs and applications without having to install them in your computer. What are the benefits of cloud computing? The first one is data storage. What are the things we're going to store in the cloud? First, we have different kinds of files. And what are these files? It can be music, it can be videos, it can be contacts, and even pictures, and any kind of documents. All of these things we can share and upload using the Google Drive. Here is the icon for Google Drive. Second benefit of cloud computing is the data access. Allows you to access your files whenever or wherever you are, as long as you are connected to the internet. Example, you are traveling and you want to open your file. You want to open necessary files because perhaps you want to submit something to your boss, or if you are studying, you want to submit files to your teacher. So data access is possible when you are connected to internet. However, if you are not bringing the broadband with you, you can have the mobile data, so you can connect still to the internet. Next is the file sharing. One of the biggest perks of cloud computing is that it permits easy file sharing. This is very true. As long as you have the link of the file, then you can copy it and paste it to the directory or to the location, or give it to the person whom you want to share your files. How? By using your Google Drive, you locate your files. These are the example of files that you want to access or you save in your Google Drive, just open your file and look for the link and copy. Copy and paste it to the location or give it to the person whom you want to give your files. Next is the data security. Cloud computing provides data security by creating a backup on the web. Data on the web is also not 100% secure, but cloud computing provides a lot more security than what you have on your local computer or flash drive. Example, you are using desktop or laptop in saving your file or creating your file. Then what if your laptop or desktop is broken? So you cannot retrieve your file anymore. Or if you save your file to flash drive, what if your flash drive is also broken and it is corrupted by file viruses? So your file now is gone. Unlike the cloud computing, if you are using the cloud, example, you are saving your file in your Gmail account, Google Drive, then your file is still there as long as you remember the password. You can still open your file. It says here it is not 100% secure, but it's up to you how you protect your account. First is you have to enable the two-way authentication so that you have peace of mind. When you open your Gmail account, at the same time, you use your phone in signing in. It's up to you what are the gadgets that you're going to register. You can register your phone, your iPad, or tablet. It's up to you. As long as you enable the two-way authentication. Next advantage is the low cost. They reduce the cost of managing and maintaining systems. As long as your account is secure, there's no need to buy some external drive and flash drive with you if you can save your file in your Google Drive. Of course, using your Gmail account. Next advantage is editing and collaboration. Let you create and edit documents, spreadsheet, presentations conveniently no matter where you are. As what I had mentioned a while ago, even though you are traveling, you can still edit and create spreadsheets, presentations, no matter where you are, as long as you are connected to internet or you have the mobile data with you. There are advantages of cloud computing. However, there are also drawbacks of cloud computing or the disadvantages. First is need for connectivity. It requires a constant internet connection and making and viewing your projects. Of course, if you are not connected to internet, you cannot open or access your Google Drive. Next disadvantage is third-party exposure. Every time you store your files or utilize an application, you are exposing or entrusting your files to third parties, such as the ones who maintain these programs. Of course, the moment you create and save your files in the Google Drive, you are exposing your files to the ones who maintains this program. We have here hackers. Every online account is prone to hacking, which is the unauthorized use of computer resources. But it depends upon how you protect your account. As what I have mentioned a while ago, to prevent someone from hacking your account, you have to activate the two-way authentication. We have here technical glitches. Website may be down and not accessible sometimes due to system maintenance. This is very normal, especially if the cloud provider is having some updates or fixing some errors of the website. There are 4 types of cloud computing. We have the private cloud, the public, the community, and the hybrid cloud. Here in private cloud, if you want to have your own server, of course you have to pay to cloud server provider. In public cloud, you can have your free account. Example, in every Gmail account, it has 15 gigabyte. Exceeding 15 gigabytes, it's up to you if you want to pay. But if you don't want to pay, you can create another Gmail account for 15 gigabyte. So why pay if you can create as many Gmail accounts as you want? Here in community cloud, everything here is free, especially for the applications. You can download it for free, and you'll be having lifetime access, no trial version anymore. Here in hybrid, it is the mix of private, public, and community cloud. So by now you can imagine what are the contents of hybrid cloud. Here are the key cloud services providers. First, we have Amazon. Next, Google. Next, Microsoft, Open Solution, and the Rackspace. Now, if you want to have your own server, you can negotiate to these cloud services providers. It's up to you if you want the Amazon, the Google, Microsoft, Open Solution, and the Rackspace. How does cloud computing make our lives easier? Cloud computing is the use of the internet for the tasks you perform on your computer. While it has both benefits and drawbacks, the world now heavily relies on cloud computing for everyday tasks, whether for work, school, or daily lifestyle activities. For me, cloud computing helps me a lot. Why? Because aside from saving my file in external drive, flash drive, I also create all of my files in the cloud computing, like Google Drive. And every time I want to edit my files, I want to update, I used to open my Google Drive as long as I am connected to the internet.